I'm gonna go, oh. I was low-key jealous of the people or the girls that had this game where you could just pop on a little blush, a little mascara, a little lash. I cannot wait to brush my teeth. Oh my gosh. I'm getting ready to go on a prayer walk as well as run a few errands. It's a singular errand, but we're just gonna say a few errands because that sounds better. I also feel like I look like such an egghead whenever I use this wide angle lens, but I want a wide angle, so I'm gonna have to make it work. I'm really not sure about this lens. I'm really not sure about this lens. Well, it's currently day 1 in Chicago. I have a very busy work week, but I do still want to go out and get something to eat. The place I want to eat at is about a 30-minute walk away, and I was like, I'm fasting today, so I may as well do a prayer walk. Typically I like to pray for an hour before I break my fast, so 30 minutes one way, 30 minutes the other way is a 30-minute walk. I also have to run by the convenience store because I traveled and forgot my toothbrush. I don't know how all day long my breath has been stank. Honestly, we thank God that I'm fasting, and I'm happy that I'm going to get this food before I break my fast, because I don't know what it is, but I can't talk or let alone pray for too long with a stank breath. I can't do it. Nor am I comfortable eating without brushing my teeth. That's just how I was brought up. I've gotten a lot more content with my skin. I've come to grips with the fact that it's not going to change overnight. It's going to get better. It is getting better slowly but surely. But in the meantime, I'm going to embrace. I'm forcing myself to embrace the way that I actually look. And I can honestly say that I've found or am discovering a routine that is ideal for my skin type that also helps to accentuate my features without covering everything up. So this routine requires no foundation as well as very minimal concealer. I was getting to the point where I was low-key jealous of the people or the girls that had this game where you could just pop on a little blush, pop on a little highlight, a little mascara, a little lash, and you're good to go. Whole time, I too can do that routine. I'm just not gonna look like them because we have different skin. So I want to say that if I'm not there yet, I'm coming close to perfecting like a no makeup type routine. And this is a routine that actually takes little to no time. So let's get into my no makeup minimalistic, super quick 5-minute-ish makeup routine. The first thing I always do, no matter what, is go in with sunscreen. Any sunscreen that has that silicone base type formula. I'm not sure if that made any sense. I have been loving this sunscreen recently, but it doesn't leave my skin looking super shiny either because it has like almost like a silicone base. This is the Multivitamin Environmental Shield Multivitamin Clear Coat Broad Spectrum with SPF 50. Clock it. It's beat up because I use it, but this is the Fenty Invisimatte. I like to go in with this to help set my brows with all that sunscreen and like the oils from the night before. Right now they're just way too slippery, and then because my eyebrows look a little scary because we're growing them out, I'm gonna go oh I brought the wrong eyebrow pencil. This is the say psych. And y'all see my brows. I've been growing them out because I've been hating the way that they look when I fill them in, or just like the whole eyebrow process because the shape is just so different from what I want now. I do have another one, but this is what I used to fill them in. It's super like thick at the tip, but we're gonna have to make it work. I'm gonna use this to ever so gently fill in my brows. I don't want them to look strong or over pronounced at all. I'm just gonna go in and gently fill in those sparse areas. Alrighty. Alright, so brows are done. Typically I go in and clean them up with concealer. We are not doing that today. I was recording this entire time and I didn't film. Next I'm going in with this Cali Ray SoCal Super Bloom Lip and Cheek Hydrating Soft Stain. I just went in with some, but going in with just a little bit more. It's a very light shade, as you can see. It disappears almost into nothing, but leaves just enough to look like I'm naturally blushing. And then I like to go in with my fingers to just buff and tap it into the skin, bringing it up onto my temples and just a little bit on the forehead. I could never do something like this with like a full face of concealer or foundation, so this is nice. So here we go, just a dash of blush. I recently got this in PR. This is the Live. I hope it's Live. If it's not Live, it's Live. Forgive me. This is the Live Tinted Hue Glow Highlighter Drops. The packaging, it looks really nice. I wouldn't say it's the most practical because you have to be so gentle when you open it to make sure you're not squeezing out the product as you take off the cap. Let me show you what the shade looks like. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit. I'm not sure if my camera is doing this justice, y'all, but it's like this iridescent highlighter that reminds me of, like, I would call this a liquid version of Fenty's Fenty's, I have it right here, these Diamond Balm in How Many Carats without all the glitter. My camera is not doing this justice. It has like the prettiest purple, pink, silver hue. It looks so good on the skin. I'm just gonna put it on the highest point of my cheek and bring it up on my eyebrows. Like, are y'all seeing the glow? I really wish my camera could pick up like just all the colors going on in this highlighter. Me and highlighters, like liquid highlighters like this, don't mix because it never sits that great over my concealer and foundation, only on bare skin. So again, this is nice. I'm gonna take some, rub it down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and on my chin. Am I missing something? Oh, I have lash extensions on right now, but if I didn't, I'd go in with a quarter mascara. Oh, let's do the lips. I got this, I think it's Nika K lip liner in the shade Toffee. And then I'm going over top with the Fenty lip oil in the shade Frosted Buns. This has a tint, but like on my skin tone, it doesn't really show up, which is why I like it for my more natural makeup days. I cannot wait to brush my teeth. Oh my gosh. So here is the final routine. I still look like myself, just a little bit enhanced between the brows. The lash extensions are always gonna make me look a little bit made up, so there's that as well. The skin is showing through, not much is being covered up, and that is what I'm going to continue doing until I learn to fully embrace and appreciate myself and my skin. So here is the final makeup look. I'm gonna finish getting ready and I'll be right back. As for my hair, it's looking very, very crazy. It's been in a scarf basically for the past 2 days. I'm gonna be walking, so truth be told, I don't care to have it all out and about, especially in this kind of heat. But let me see what my hair would look like if I, let's just, it's crunchy. I have such an egghead. Yeah, I'm just not gonna like the way my hair is today. It's giving egghead and I'm not liking that. All right, apparently I was wearing my shirt inside out the entire time. So if it looked weird, that was why. We're opting for no headband, but I did put my hair in this massive claw clip. I got this from Walmart for about $5 or so. Again, massive, and yet people are out here. Apparently extra large claw clips are being sold for upwards of $30 on this internet. Could it be me? All right, let me show you guys the final fit, and from there I'm heading out. All right, let me show you guys the final fit. All right, so here is the final fit. The theme of the day is simple, clean, and athletic. I got this top from Amazon Basics. This is my top, and my bottom are from Amazon. I'll be sure to link it either in my LTK or down below. The top is super comfortable, super soft. The bottoms, y'all, I am 5'8". Look at how far down these go. I'm gonna insert the name of the brand somewhere on the screen. Again, if not, then in the description below. But this brand on Amazon is one of the very few brands that sells pants with inseams long enough for my height and my body type. The amount of money I have given this brand, because I did go and buy these in as many colors as possible. Like I have this in black, I have it in blue, I have it in tan, I have it in so many different colors because they gym pants that actually go past my ankle with a long enough inseam. So my headphones are by Sony. These are the WXM4s, and my little tote bag was a PR gift from Kelly Ray, so shouts to them. Oh, they can't hear you. They can't hear you. They can't hear you. Stop. And this toothbrush cost $2 and I think about 60 cents. Rip off. They're hard. Alright, well, yeah.